Part 4, the new employee side. Chidi Okeke opens the invitation email and clicks the link to confirm his address. His email is confirmed, so his account is now active. He logs in for the first time with the username and the temporary password from the email. He is in. This is his own dashboard, with only what his role allows him to see. For security, he changes the temporary password straight away. He opens his profile from the menu at the top right. He opens the Change Password section, enters the temporary password, and sets a new one of his own. Password changed. Chidi is now fully onboarded, hired from Recruitment, given a role, and signed in with his own secure password. That is the complete journey from applicant to active employee.